Today, I want to start with a state of the industry to help frame why nutrition and allergen transparency is more important than ever, and ways that you can use this to your competitive advantage. Next, I'll walk you through our core design ethos for our new nutrition analysis platform, how it differs from other market solutions, and provide some background on how it works. The impacts of not having your nutrition, allergen, and ingredient information open and readily available to the public are immediate and can have significant impacts on your bottom line. Those who rise to the challenge, however, can leverage this renewed consumer interest and turn skeptics into their most loyal customer base, and engage new audiences who may have never previously considered the brand. Health and allergen-focused consumers, on average, also tend to spend more per meal if they feel those menu items align with their health and wellness goals. This means that with the right strategy, you can increase the margin per consumer simply by giving them the tools to find the items on your menu that align to their values. When brands utilize manual processes to support these operations, it leaves them vulnerable to human transcription errors, delayed customer response times, and the risk of incorrect nutrition and allergen information being conveyed to the public. Now more than ever, brands need to be flexible, adaptive, and responsive to the ever-changing market and regulatory landscapes. And to do so, they need a solution that makes sure that the time and effort that they put into generating accurate and up-to-date nutrition and allergen information yields exponential results. Enter Nutritionix Analyze. Our new analysis tool is integrated into Syndigo's product information management platform. So for the first time in history, brands can source their ingredients, enrich their data, analyze their menu nutrition, and push that data into their other enterprise systems, all from a single tech stack. Unlike other solutions, however, this tool was designed specifically to embed into your current workflow and break down silos between teams. Through fully customizable business rules and workflows, alongside customizable user provisioning and auditing capabilities, you can now allow multiple teams to work from the same product record without running the risk of inadvertently skewing your finished nutrition and allergen data. We support both the modern and the legacy FDA nutrition labels, and we have a full nutrition panel if you do want to supplement that data with additional context. We have the core value that was from the user source, but you also have the ability to override where you need. And this also has the ability to check calculations to make sure that you're following dietetic rules. If you provide a value that's mathematically impossible, you're going to get a warning flag that's letting you know not only that is that value incorrect, but what's causing it to have that incorrectness. This solution on its own is standalone, so there's no need to be leveraging other Syndigo products into this system. This can be a point solution on its own. If you do want to combine it with other Syndigo solutions, however, you will see economies of scale. But again, the idea of this is to be as flexible as possible so that you can use it in the way that makes sense to you, whether that's as its own single solution or as a connector into a much larger ecosystem.